Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Just a quick update and also an Elliott wave update just to where we are going currently. If you remember yesterday, I showed you the Solana chart, talked about that we found support here at the previous all-time high. And also, we're climbing up the ladders here on the Fibs. You can see that. We're finding support also at this ascending trend line and found support at the 20-day moving average, this line which is coming up here in teal. From here, I would expect further price increases. However, it could also be that we drop a little bit more, maybe into the region of 208. That is still possible. And I say that because I started yesterday, yesterday with the Elliott wave counts. I'm going to show you that. And they have been fairly accurate. Yesterday already, I showed you the target area. We already hit that just after my video. And yeah, let's take a look at that as well. Currently, we are still in the bullish range on the RSI, which is bullish. However, we're getting a potential sell signal on the daily on the MACD. So the indicators here are a bit contradicting each other, which is why also we take a look here at the Elliott waves. Showed it to you yesterday. We are basically now in a wave 5, in a major wave 5 here, which is that wave 5, the white one. Below that we have lower levels as well, but I showed you that already yesterday. Now yesterday I showed you here that we were in a move here into this smaller wave 5, and that we peaked here at the all-time high at around $260. From there, this was a yellow wave 5, so a smaller wave 5. We had that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 move up here. That peaked. That was also part of a wave 3 to the upside, from which I said the next move will be a larger wave 4 to the downside, which we did yesterday. I said that somewhere up here, and we came already in the target range. Now the target range was between $230 and $191. Now after we hit the 20-day moving average here at 219, we already peaked up. Now does it mean that we already have completed this move to the downside? Potentially, but it could also be. I wouldn't be surprised if we come down once more to that $207, $208 level, because that is the 0.382 Fib level, and normally that move from a wave 3 into a wave 4, you would most frequently come back to the 0.382 Fib level, which is that $207, $208 level. So it is still a possibility, especially as since that drop yesterday, we have not seen really an impulsive move here to the upside. We are still sort of in the limbo, still moving sideways a little bit, still waiting a little bit what Bitcoin is doing. And it could potentially be, I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to 208. That would also for me a good buy signal, come back down into that area here. From there then, we would continue our move up to the, smaller wave 5, Again, we've got that sort of pink wave 3 here at the top. That was the all-time high. Come down here. Maybe we had it already, or we still come down to 208 once more. That wave 4, and then complete that with a wave 5. That is also the completion of a larger wave 5. I did say that yesterday already. We had a wave 1, 2. That was back in May. That was back in May. Then we came all the way up to a wave 3, which was, I think, I need to zoom in here, in September, here 9th of September, basically up here. And we came down in a wave 4 down there, which was also sort of middle end of September. And from there we are now moving into the last leg, wave 5. So that indicates that Solana, and it makes sense that Solana is just ahead in terms of the Elliott waves. For example, ahead before Cardano. Cardano is only in a wave 3. Solana, however, is already in a wave 5, which would indicate after that wave 5 you come down. You can come down all the way down to $120 before you then move up all the way up to in a new wave. That basically is also the that's here up here, which also is a completion of a wave 5. Again, it's also a major wave 1. Again, it's a bit complicated if you don't know about Elliott waves. I've explained it in previous videos. And I will explain it also in tutorials on my second channel, which you can find in the description in the next few weeks. This is basically a wave 1, a wave 2 here, a large wave 2, and then we continue our way into a large wave 3. Price ranges there could then be around $500, $600, $700. For this move here to that wave 5, I would expect that we hit around, you know, prices of around the 1.618 fib level at around $345. That's what I would expect. Based on the Elliott waves, it would then say, you know, we come down to around $120, which nobody can imagine now. But yeah, it's what that wave count tells us. And I don't want to say it's going to happen. It's just objectively what the Elliott waves are telling us. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen. These would be amazing prices. We should all be happy to see once more price of $120. Can't wait for it, to be honest, because from there, the price target, the longer term price target, we talk about $550, $600, maybe even more. So that's Solana. Again, then I would potentially expect a further price drop. It's imminent, potentially down to 208, possibly. But however, we already hit the target range. Anyway, I think the next general move will then be into that range of around the 1.618 fib level, up to, yeah, $345 maybe. Yeah, that is the 1.618. That's what I would expect will be the price target here for the completion of that wave 5. Hope you liked that video about Solana. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.